All right, we have 5 numbers. We want to know for what values of this 5th number, x sub 5, we're just going to call it x, is the mean of these 5 numbers equal to the median? Well, this is going to depend on the value of x, right? The median is the middle number, and if x is very big, then the median will be different than if x is very small. So we've got 3 cases. Case 1 is where x is the biggest, or just above the median. Let's just say x is the max. And because it's the maximum, we're going to rewrite these in order. We'll have 27.2, 30.3, 33.9, 36.2, and then x. Remember, x is the largest, so I've listed it on the right. 27.2 is obviously the smallest, so I've listed it on the left. The average of these 5 numbers will be 27.2 plus 30.3 plus 33.9 plus 36.2 plus x, all divided by 5. When is the mean equal to the median? Well, in this case, the median is 33.9. So I've gone ahead and set that equal to 33.9. And if I solve for x, I'm going to multiply both sides by 5 and then subtract all these numbers over. If I do that, I get x equals 41.9. Now I'm going to do this all over again, but dealing with a different case. This is case 1 where x is the max. Now I'm going to change it up. Case 2. Let's say x is the minimum. So x is the minimum puts x down here. And because of that, our median is no longer 33.9. Our median is 30.3. So that changes this to be 30.3. Solve again, and when I do that, I get x equals 23.9. So the number changes a little bit depending on where you put x. There's one last case. It could be the case that, as I said, x is the max, then I changed it up and said, well, x could have been the minimum. The last case is, what about when x is the median? So the list of numbers won't be looking like this, it'll look like this: 27.2, 30.3, x, and then 33.9 and 36.2. When I do this, I still have the same calculation of adding these numbers up and divided by 5, and I'm setting it equal to the median in this case. And in this case, the median is x. So I'm going to get rid of this number and replace it with x. When I solve this guy, I get x equals 31.9. And so these are the 3 possible values of x that you can use to cause the mean to equal the median.